Hi friends, I just wanted to make you a quick video to show you a background that I made and one other thing. So last night I was tired and I thought, well, I think I just don't feel like doing anything. I wasn't very motivated. But then I realized there's a difference between being tired and being scared. And we have a tendency to fear new things. And I had planned to use my Scribble sticks, which I have only used once a tiny bit in class. And I have one other project that I'm a little stuck on. So finally I just said, that's it. I have like 20 minutes. I'm going to get up. I'm going to try it. What's the worst that can happen, right? You can cut the page out of the journal. You can throw the paper away. So don't be afraid to try something. Step out of your box. I've talked about this before. The idea is put the paint on the canvas. And it's not really about paint or canvas. It's about life and trying something. I came in and in just a few minutes, I started putting the colors down, throwing some water on this page of the canvas in my Dina Wakley journal. And I had a great time. I learned a ton. I put a little bit too much color. I'll show you how it works. I had planned to put it with this. I got my colors right, but my background is way too cute to put such a big thing on, so I'm going to figure it out later. I just wanted to show you that so that you know that I have to push the boundaries and get out of my box. Also, the reason I put this dark border around was because I hadn't done that before. The idea is to try something new. Try heat embossing, try tearing the edges of your paper, try paint, try Scribble sticks. They're fabulous. I will have a video about this. I just figured I should finish the page first. Okay, I wanted to show you that. Then I also wanted to show you, I went on a shopping spree today at Tuesday morning, and I had a great time looking at all the products and looking around, and I thought, there's so much good stuff here. And I don't really need anything. I mean, honestly, I'm doing just fine. And I have a lot of projects backed up. But someone had told me that I should do a giveaway when I hit certain numbers or when things started moving along. And quite honestly, I was too busy. And my channel's been growing. And now I have a little bit more time. And I thought, well, I'm going to do a giveaway for my awesome subscribers because I know that my channel is probably a little different because I'm always trying new things. I'm not necessarily an expert in any technique, but I hope that you enjoy coming on my crafting journey with me and stepping out of the box and trying different things. And maybe I can help you do that in this giveaway. So I picked out things that I absolutely loved. And the idea is you need to be a subscriber and comment below the video. Leave me a comment telling me which product you liked. That will enter you in the drawing because the comments, a random number will be chosen and your comment number will enter you. And I would leave the word giveaway out. I'm not going to put it in the description for the video, okay? I have 3 6x6 pads because they're all adorable and I couldn't choose one. A Perfect Summer, Summer Bliss. These are both by Lori Whitlock, and I think the colors to some extent would be interchangeable. Beach Day. This one's a Cartabella. These are Echo Park. All super fun. Make some amazing scrapbook pages or art journal pages or cards or tear some things up and do collage. Do projects with the kids. Whatever you want to do. I'm not going to open the pads up, but I will tell you that I got myself one of these so I can show you this one pad. It's pretty cute. I had to get something while I was there. And there were amazing deals. And I think the other day I posted about this stamp set on Instagram. I'm in love with this stamp set. This is Dina Wakley and it's stars and it says shine and it has, I think this one says Starlight, Starbright. They put the price tag over it. I've been using this on an art journal page. I'm sure I'll make some cards with it. I love it. So you should have it. There's a stencil too. If you aren't a stenciler, take this thing out of the package, put some ink on it, put some paint on it, try it. Don't be afraid, okay? The same concept, but in hearts. This one says Love Rocks Where there is love, there is no darkness. It is love that makes the impossible possible. And a cute heart stencil. Sorry about the glare. I need to do something about my lighting. And you know that I'm a sucker for the stars, but still, you should have the hearts if you want them. Here's another one. This is Dilutions, and this is an example of maybe this isn't your style, but you might want to try it. It might help you step out of your box. These would be fun to stamp and color. And then this one comes with a stencil too. So if you don't have any stencils, you'd have 3 stencils now. And there's a Bow Bunny floral set with flowers and leaves that's super cute. And this one of my friends already tried to snag this, has a cactus and some succulents and a little flag that says hello. And then it has the die cuts to go with them. If you don't have a die cut machine, set them aside, or when you go to a friend's house that does have a die cut machine, take this with you, okay? So enter the drawing. I will cut it off on Sunday, July 1st at midnight in my time zone, so probably Monday, July 2nd or 3rd is when the video would post. You need to be a subscriber and leave a comment, like I said, and I'm only going to ship in the US because this is my first one and it'll just be a project for me to get to the post office. So thank you so much for being a subscriber and supporting my channel. I really appreciate it, and I hope that somebody who has been watching lots of my videos wins an amazing stash. Okay, take time for crafting and relaxing. Thank you.